Reveal your natural beauty with this powerful homemade Skin Glow Miracle Mix. This simple, natural recipe helps brighten your skin, fade dark spots, tighten pores, and bring out a healthy, radiant glow. Perfect for all skin types and made with ingredients you already have at home. Ingredients: 1 tsp honey, 1 tsp yogurt, 1 tsp olive oil, 1 tsp lemon juice for oily skin, 1 tsp coconut oil for dry skin, replace lemon, a pinch of turmeric. Benefits: brightens and gives a natural glow, helps lighten dark spots and blemishes, moisturizes deeply and softens skin, tightens pores, supports smoother and youthful-looking skin. How to use: mix all ingredients in a bowl, apply to clean skin, wait 15 to 20 minutes, and rinse with warm water. For best results, use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. Pro tip: after rinsing, splash your face with cold water to tighten pores and boost glow. If you love natural beauty remedies, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.